Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the sweet and chewy world of bubblegum. Ever wondered how that delicious treat is made? Join us as we take a complete factory tour to uncover the secrets behind bubblegum production. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating factory tours. Our journey begins here, at this state-of-the-art bubblegum factory. Let's head inside and see what goes into making your favorite gum. Bubblegum starts with a mix of raw materials. The main ingredient is gum base, a combination of natural and synthetic rubbers. This gives the gum its chewiness and elasticity. Other key ingredients include sugar, corn syrup, softeners, and flavorings. First, the gum base is melted and filtered to remove any impurities. Then, it's transferred to a large mixer. Here, sugar and corn syrup are added, creating a thick, sticky mixture. The mixture is then kneaded thoroughly, ensuring all ingredients are well combined. Next, it's time to add the fun part, colors and flavors. Whether it's classic pink, vibrant blue, or any other color, the dye is mixed in at this stage. Flavors like mint, strawberry, or tutti frutti are also added, giving the gum its distinctive taste. Once the mixture texture is ready. It's rolled out into thin sheets. These sheets are then cut into smaller pieces. For bubblegum, the pieces are often cut into small cubes or sticks, perfect for blowing bubble. After cutting, the pieces of gum are cooled and conditioned. This step ensures the gum reaches the right consistency and prevents it from sticking together. The gum is placed on cooling racks and left to set for several hours. Some types of bubble gum, like those with a crunchy outer shell, go through an additional coating process. The gum pieces are tumbled with a mixture of sugar and other ingredients, creating a crispy outer layer. Finally, the bubble gum is ready for packaging. Depending on the brand, the gum can be wrapped individually, packed in blister packs, or placed in larger containers. Packaging ensures the gum stays fresh and ready to be enjoyed. Quality control is crucial in bubblegum production. Each batch undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets the highest standards of taste, texture, and safety. Only the best gum makes it Amash Nasi. To store shelves. Once packaged, the bubblegum is distributed to stores worldwide. From your local corner shop to large supermarkets, bubblegum travels far and wide to reach its eager consumers. And there you have it, the complete journey of how bubblegum is made. From raw materials to the final product, each step is carefully crafted to bring you that perfect chew. Thanks for joining us on this sweet adventure. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory tours. Until next time, happy chewing!